In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Strikingly. We'll start from a blank account and end with a live website, keeping things simple and practical so you can follow along and build confidently. First, head to strikingly.com and click Get Started. You can sign up with email, Google, or Facebook, and there's no credit card needed for the basic plan. Choose the method that's easiest for you, and you'll land in the builder. Next, pick a template. You can choose a single page design for simple portfolios, resumes, or events, or a multi-page layout if you need more depth, like for a larger business or content-heavy site. Select a design that matches your goal: business portfolio, online store, or blog. Don't stress too much here. You can change templates later without losing your content. Click Edit to start customizing. To edit text, just click and start typing. For images, click them and upload your own files. You can drag entire sections up or down to rearrange your layout. Keep copy concise, use clear headings, and choose high-quality visuals to make your site feel polished. Add the content you need by clicking Add New Section. Common choices include a hero or banner for your main message, an About section for your story, services to describe what you offer, a gallery for visuals, a contact form for inquiries, a blog for updates, or a store if you plan to sell products. Add only what supports your goal to keep navigation clean. Now customize the look, open styles to adjust fonts, colors, and button styles so everything matches your brand. Upload your logo for recognition and add a favicon, the tiny icon in the browser tab, for a professional touch. Aim for strong contrast and consistent font sizes for readability. If you need extra features, open Simple Store to add products, set prices, upload photos, and connect PayPal or Stripe for payments. For inquiries, add a contact section, customize the fields you want, and enable email notifications. To use your own web address, go to Settings, Domains, and either purchase a domain through Strikingly or connect one you already own. It may take some time to fully connect. Strikingly sites are mobile responsive, but it's still smart to preview on mobile and adjust spacing or font sizes if anything looks tight. When you're ready, click Publish. Your site goes live instantly with a free subdomain like yourname.strikingly.com. You can upgrade later for a custom domain. Finally, visit Settings, SEO to set your page title, meta description, and social sharing image, and connect Google Analytics on paid plans. With that, your Strikingly site is ready to share.